Pete'sTools.com.
G'day my friends, how are we all going? Hope everything's going well on your side of the world. I'm a box of fluffy ducks on my side, so nothing to complain about here. Apart from one thing guys, I was trying to get rid of the rust off this old vice that I found the other day. So I went and grabbed the old can of lubricant. In New Zealand we call it CRC. It's just like an anti-rust lubricant. It's supposed to, get things up and going again. And grabbed the old can, shook it as you do, and there's plenty in it. And I went to spray it on my vice, and this happened guys. It just won't spray. Thought to myself, guys, that can't be right. Anyway guys, that's what I'm moaning about today. So how am I going to get the rest of this penetrating oil out of this can? Because if you've watched any of my videos before, you know that I hate wasting money. Some people have called me tight. I've been called a lot of other things, but I'll accept tight. Tight's pretty cool. So anyway guys, this is what I come up with. So here's the problem I have guys. This can has got plenty in it. Listen. Can you hear it? It's like, it wouldn't be a third full, but it would probably have about that much in the bottom of it. So if I push the button like this, guys, you can see it's just dribbling out like some old guy with a prostate problem. But me being as tight as I am, I want to figure out a way how to use the rest of this lubricant that I've already paid for. So if we actually pull the top off this can, guys, you can see that we've got a bit of a stalk thing sticking out here, and it's about, what would it be, probably 5 millimeters high, see that there? So I've thought to myself, if I can get something that I can actually seal that off with and pump some air into it, we should get enough pressure to blow out the rest of my penetrating oil. What do you reckon? So what I did guys, I actually went down to the local tyre shop, and I was talking to the bloke down there and asked him for a valve, an old valve off a tyre, and look what he gave me. He actually gave me a brand new one. And you know what, he didn't even charge me for it, so I thought that was pretty cool. I don't think they're very expensive anyway. I think they're only about $1 or something each, but it's really handy to have one in your workshop. Now if we look at the can again, you can see here that it's got a bit of a rim around here. Now if we look at this valve here, you can see it's got about the same size hole as what the rim is on the can. So my theory is, if I push that down there, this is all rubber of course, so it's going to compress. So that stalk there should fit right up in there. And the theory is, all things being equal, mind you, things have gone wrong before in Pete's workshop. If I put that on there, push it down really hard, and then pump some air back on the top of it, we should be able to get some pressure on the spray again. Give it a crack, eh? So we've got our valve, guys. Stick it on the top of your tin, and all these tins are about the same size, so just a standard car tyre valve would probably do it. What you're going to have to do is screw it down, and you'll hear it click. See, it's trying to push back up all the time. So I think when it clicks, like that, we're all the way down. Now this has still got the actual valve cap on it guys. It was nice that that man gave it to me, wasn't it? So there we go. So my theory is, if we hold that down like that, get a compressed air gun and pump some air into it, it should work. So that's what it looks like guys. I'm holding it down there, the rubber's sealing it off, and because it's a car tyre valve, nothing can come out the top. Right, now I wouldn't advise pumping a hell of a lot of air into this guys. I would just put like 20 or so pounds in it. Whoops, there we go, it's popped off again. Stick it in your pump like so, and just 20 odd pound I would put in it guys. You don't want to blow yourself to kingdom come. Push that down like so, give it some air. Let's have a look. Woohoo! What do we got? We actually got 30 pound. We'll go a little bit more guys. 40 pound. A little bit more. Woohoo! Don't put too much in guys. Really don't. That's about it I think guys. Woohoo! Woo-wee. I wonder if that actually did anything. Only one way to find out. Right, well it worked this time. Yee-haw, Grandma! Yee-haw! Don't mind me guys, I just love it when a plan comes together, eh? Look at this, we've sorted out that prostate problem. Yee-haw! So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you got at least a little bit of value out of it. Remember guys, if you like what I'm doing, subscribe, drop me a like, drop me a comment, come say good day in the comments below. Maybe you've got some better ideas how to do this, but this is really quick, really easy. No fluffing around. Yee-haw! Anyway guys, see you next time. Oh, remember to subscribe. Or did I say that already? I don't know what I said. I'm totally buzzed that this actually works. See you guys, bye.
Pete'sTools.com.